Let's first start with creating multiple channels on YouTube. Okay, so sign in. And click on the icon here above. Now click on Settings. And go to Add or Manage your channel. And just click it. To add a new channel. Now click Create a new channel to add more. Now give it a name you like. As I am naming it. A demo channel. So here is my another channel. Now let's learn deleting one. Go to the settings again. And now go to Advanced Settings. Now come down to the Delete Channel section. And click Delete Channel. Now, just sign into your account once again. Here you can hide your content or can delete it permanently. I am going with the second option as I want to permanently delete it. Now, read and follow the instructions as it is. And click Delete My Content. And once again type the name of the channel you want to be deleted. Here I will type Demo Channel, and click Delete My Content. As you can see, my content is being deleted. Now let's learn how to restore the deleted account. Go to your Chrome browser, and then go to Manage your Google account. Now click on Manage your data and personalization. And now click on Go to Google Dashboard. Click Brand Accounts. Then click on Go to Brand Accounts. Now click Deleted Accounts. This will show you your deleted brand accounts. Here you can restore your account by clicking the button next to the name of your deleted brand accounts. Alright now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on another video. And if you like this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get more from this channel.